What's going on, guys? Mike here. So we got the XRT home, and it's just a shame. You know, it's over $1,000 RC, and I know they're meant to be, beat on and to get dirty and jumped and stuff like that. But it's a shame to let something this nice, this epic, to just get this dirty. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna do a full cleaning on this bad boy, get it all taken care of. So this will be a time lapse of just going through it and doing some maintenance and doing some cleaning. So I hope you guys like the video, enjoy the music. Let's get it going. All right, so let's go ahead and remove this body. Man, oh man, is that dirty. No worries, no worries. We're going to get it all cleaned up. Alright guys, so we got the wheels and tires off, and I'm going to use good old faithful here, just a can of air, and we're going to go through and kind of clean it out a little bit and see what happens. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Wow. It's going to help us get into some of the smaller areas there. If I can help it, I would like to not have to take the entire thing together apart. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen with this build. Don't know if I want to turn it into a basher or if it's going to be a shelf queen. Alright, and if any of you guys have ever used a can of air before, you know that after so long it gets really cold. So we're going to stop right there for now, and we'll continue on with cleaning up the chassis. Alright guys, so now we have a paper bowl. My wife would be very upset if I used one of her Tupperwares, with some hot water and some soap. And we got a cool little plastic cleaning brush here. So we're going to dip it in some hot water and soap, and we're just going to go through and start cleaning this guy up. Alright, here we go. And I know some of you are probably going to say, oh, just use a pressure washer and all that stuff. And you know, I could, but this is more fun. There's something about making something nice and new again. It's just kind of fun. So sit back and enjoy me scrubbing the dirt off of this off-road toy. Alright, now that we got some nice soap and water on there, let's give it a wipe down and see what we got. Oh yeah. Yep. That's looking nice. That is looking nice. You know, it's like adding a fresh coat of paint to something. Really turns that turd into something new. That looks way better already. And like I said, I'm going through and I'm doing this so I can kind of understand and plan for the build. You know, what are we looking at? What options do we have? And I don't want to start building something until it's nice and clean. So let's continue to clean up this bad boy. Alright guys, we're going to take a quick time out because my wonderful paper bowl is starting to deform, so I need to replace it with a new one. Stand by. Alright, I beefed up the new paper bowls with 3. So let's see if we can get this transfer done without losing too much water here. And yes, we can. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. You know, I just amaze myself sometimes. Alright, now I want to focus on the body and see what we can make happen here. So I'm just going to dab my rag in a little bit of water. Let's see what we can make happen here. Alright guys, so this is where we're at. The chassis is pretty much all nice and cleaned up. I'm really happy with how it came out. Got the wheels and tires cleaned up, and then the body is looking properly fixed. So let's go ahead and put this guy back together. For the final touches. Would you look at that? Nice and clean, looking pretty good. That's what I'm talking about. So thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. Still not sure exactly what we're going to do with this build yet, but she's nice and clean. It's a good start for us to lay a good foundation on. So I think we have a couple options to go here. We could trick it all out. I hate orange. I don't like any of the orange stuff, so we could trick it out and do like the black edition, make everything black. We could do a custom body on this guy. We could just go bash it and beat it to hell, or we could make a super cool on-road build with it. So leave your opinions in the comments below and watch for more videos on this guy. All right, thank you guys for watching.